Reception to it.
Program with the commission number,
Okay.
I think it's on 3 now.
It would have been, yes.
You'll be all right.
That could be like a town, like, real time.
I think so, yeah.
No. Maybe enough of that. It's not liking something.
Somebody went to the program once before.
Oh, really?
They're going to go to the long program with the 2678. And I wonder if he returned it because it didn't work. It was 125.
Well, actually, Wallace just tried the program, but he couldn't get it to work. So it couldn't have been for what Wallace just did, yeah. But there he is.